Do you know that you can actually get paid for uploading videos on TikTok? Do you know that you can actually get paid? When I mean paid, good money for just uploading videos on TikTok. And the requirement there is not that hard like that of YouTube and Facebook, because the way TikTok has been made, you being discoverable is very, very easy. So guys, I am going to teach you guys how to get a TikTok account that you can be paid for whenever you upload content on that page. Now, the difference between a TikTok account that can pay you for uploading content in it and the one that cannot is whenever you come there and you see this particular creator rewards program or creativity program beta. So it depends on the one you see, but anyone you see, both of them are almost the same thing. Whenever you see this shows that you will be paid whenever you meet the requirements in this TikTok account. When we come to creating this account, there are two ways that it is done. Some people create it with VPN, and that is the popular one you have been seeing on TikTok, you have been seeing on YouTube and the rest of that. You can create any account with this method, not those ones you use VPN that some of the free VPN will be suggesting for you the country you are going to create in, like some will suggest France and the rest of that. Here you are going to create this TikTok account on any country of your choice, provided the country is TikTok monetizable. I know a lot of people have been charging you $20, $30. When you go to Fiverr, you see a lot of people charging as high as $100 just to create a foreign TikTok account for you. Today, I am going to teach you how to do this comfortably on your own, because information is power, guys. And I am going to teach you guys free of charge without needing any dime from you, in exchange of you subscribing and clicking on the bell button and liking the video after that. So let us go there. First of all, let us go ahead and create an email, because we are going to be needing an email for this. So let's go there. So on our Chrome, we come there and type in Gmail sign up. So it's now right there. We click on it. And then when it brings it out, then we click on create a Gmail account, the first link there. We click on it. Okay, then you scroll right up and then click on create an account. All right, under here you're gonna see this interface. Then you look at the downmost part of it and click on create account. Then when you click on it, then you tap on for my personal use. All right, then put in your first name on that account. Here I can put down Emmanuel. Then on surname I can put down Loveday. All right, then click on next. Then in your year, you can select, let me just put down any random year or something like that. Let me just put down any random year. Okay, let me just say, okay, let me just put down any random year there. Then on gender, okay, I'm a male, let me select a male, then click on next. Then it will suggest email name you want to choose. So let me choose one from here. Let me say Loveday Emmanuel 612. All right, then I click on next. Okay, then here I am going to pause this video and put in my password. Now, as I have put in a new password that I'm gonna be using for this account, I click on next. All right, so here we need to add a recovery email. If you want, you can skip it because it's optional. I skipped it. All right, let me click on next. So that is it, guys. Let me click on I agree. This is their privacy terms and condition. Just scroll down and click on I agree. All right, so that is it. This is all we need. So guys, our Gmail account / our email is ready to be used. It's very important you watch this video till the end, because at the last part of this video I am going to be telling you guys the do's and don'ts that is going to be used to maintain this account, because there are certain things you might do with this account that will get this account flagged and blocked. So who knows, you might not be able to open up another foreign TikTok account again with the same device or say the same details. Make sure you stick around with me on this video from beginning to the end, because at the last part I am going to enlighten you guys of how to avoid these mistakes, guys. So let's go ahead and create the foreign TikTok account. Now join me, let's go there. The next thing is for you to head over to your Chrome again, then come to the address bar and then type in tiktok.com. So that is it. For some people this might not load immediately, but if you want to visit it, look at what you do. Just type in TikTok official website, so that Google suggests that for you. So you click on it, it will bring out this. Under this TikTok light, you're gonna see it. Then click on this sign up here. Click on sign up, right? So it will bring out this interface. But let me use the normal procedure. So I just gave you guys that in case your own is not going there directly, because sometimes it might be telling you that the website is unreachable. So that is it. Now let me go to tiktok.com. So here is our TikTok. Now to create this, you click on profile, then tap on sign up. Now when you tap on sign up, you are going to see an interface that is going to pop up. Now be careful with this, guys. This is where the major things comes in. All right, you're going to see sign up for TikTok, create a profile, blah blah blah, use phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Before you continue with anything here, you see where it's saying by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to terms and conditions and acknowledge that, you know, or that. Just tap on that Nigeria you are seeing there, guys. This is a powerful information, guys. This is a powerful information. This is what they have been doing for you and collecting 100k, 20k, 30k, $100, $50, guys. So guys, if you are getting any value from this video, make sure you smash the like button, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for you to be receiving mind-blowing content like this. So here, let me search for United Kingdom. Any country, you can search for any country here, guys, even France. Like when I scroll up, you know, you see every country that TikTok is inside, and you see Bangladesh, Barbados, United Kingdom, you know, okay, French, South, and all those things. Now let me go to United Kingdom. Okay, so that is it. Now click on the United Kingdom, then click on done. So make sure you follow me duly on this, guys. Make sure you follow me duly. Now we click on next. When we click on next, instead of selecting phone, select email, guys. So be careful with that. Then we put down the email. Loveday Emmanuel, Loveday Emmanuel 612 at gmail.com. So under the option you have get trending content, newsletter, promotion, blah blah blah. You can click on it if you want to be getting it, but we are going to leave it here. Then we click on next. Alright, the next thing is for us to create a password for this account. So I am going to pause this video and then put in my password. So that is it. While choosing your password, make sure it is at least 8 characters, and it must have a lowercase letter and an uppercase letter and a special character with a number. So that is it. Be careful about that. Now we click on sign up. Alright, now they are gonna send a code to that my email. So let me pause this video, then go and bring out that code. As you can see, they just sent me the mail on my mailbox from TikTok. So let me put it there. So I'm gonna pause this video to do that. Now let me put in my username. Here I can just say S and nature. Let me just name it this, S and nature. So S and nature. All right, so let me leave it for TikTok to check it. All right, it says the username is already taken, so let me put it 001, S and nature 001. Then I click on sign up, guys. Now log in access. So guys, we now have a foreign TikTok account with us. So let's check. This is our foreign TikTok account. And guys, how you are going to know whether this is a foreign TikTok account is this. Now let us log into this account using our TikTok app. Now let's go there. So guys, now coming over to TikTok, Now this is our official TikTok account. You can follow it up. I'll drop the link on our general Telegram channel. Now when we go to settings and privacy, then we scroll down and click on switch account. Under switch account, we click on add an account. So it says already have an account login, so we log in. Now we click on use email or username. We click on that. Now let's go to email. Now we put in so we continue. All right, so let me go back to the same email and get the new code they're gonna send me. So guys, let me pause the video and get the code. I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it guys. I have duly logged in, so I click on update. Okay, so that is it. Now guys, let us check whether this account is monetizable account. Let me click on profile, and then you see the username here. All right, samnature 001. So let us click here and go to creator tools. As you can see guys, under monetization we now have our creator rewards program. So guys, if you get any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and finally make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get mind-blowing videos like this. The next video I'm gonna do on this is gonna come up, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use a VPN to do this, because this might work for some people it might not. But you know, I haven't received any person that I gave it to that it did not work for the person. So that is it. So I am going to make another video explaining how to do this with a VPN, so that if you try this one and if you are having any hurdles, you can still use a VPN, and that VPN we are going to be using will be free guys. So make sure you stick around with me and do not go nowhere. Now guys, another thing is what can you really do for you to maintain this TikTok account? So guys, I am going to mention a few things for you guys. Now, if it is the VPN type of account, it is very advisable that whenever you want to visit it, you use the same VPN you use in creating it, or any other VPN, but make sure you are in the same country. If you want to visit it from another country, you leave the account for like a week before you start visiting it ordinarily with your phone without VPN. So another thing again is if you know any video that you have uploaded on any of your Nigerian TikTok, please do not upload it here. Do not upload it here, because with that you will be flagged for copyright claims. And secondly, when they flag you for copyright claims, they will start checking your account, and from there you might decide to be required to answer lots of questions, and from there you see that what you have worked for years will be taken down. So that is it. And again, please do not switch to business account. So that is it guys. See you guys on my next video. As for now, I say bye.